We are together again in our second lesson. In this lesson, we will work on design and some structures. I explain what we want to do. We have one login page. We will add two more buttons next to this page. We will add the feature of backend able to log in on our system. One of them is Facebook and the other is Google. Afterwards, when we try to log in normally, when we click login here, I am talking about two-factor authentication, which will be done in the double verification part of us. We will send it to the page on this page, friends, by entering them with the code that will be given to us through our applications via Facebook or Google Authenticator. We perform these operations by entering these codes here. Friends, if you say from which application this code will come, for example, Google. For example, we will download this application to our phone from the Play Store and Apple Store and perform this process through them. Here's how we do it. See here, it also gives us information on how to use applications. After running our project and downloading them on our phone, that is application, at first the installation takes place. Then when you move on to the second step, here, you have one QR code. When you are running it for the first time, it gives you QR codes. You are scanning it. You are logging in. Look, you can scan QR code here. Then the codes are given are follows. These codes are valid for a certain period of time. In other words, they will not be completely valid. The codes given specially for your application. So these codes, you can't enter another application with friends. These are the codes that are given exclusively for the applications and are valid 30 seconds if I remember correctly. So you should download the application to your phone as well, friends. Yes, after this section has shown what we are trying to do, let's get our project up and running. I press IIS Express with sourcing.ui selected and I will add two buttons or login screen. As you have just seen, one Facebook and one Google. Since this project of or runs on Docker, you don't need to work on Docker for now. Here you just have one MSSql and one database. My main goal is to show the logic of the business. It's standing up in our project now. It's a bit heavy since we developed our applications over microservices. It is not heavy application, rather it's slowly perceived. Now see when it comes to login. It's actually a simple screen. Here, friends, we can do this by putting two more buttons. In fact, it seems like it will be better if we click on sign up and do it here. So I think we can make a more detailed development over the register. It will be better if we want to do this too. So let's go find the sign in page on our project and add two buttons, Facebook and Google here. I am coming to my project right now. I open a new one under sourcing.ui like this. I go to home under Windows and sign up.cshtml here. And I come under and add more view. Let's come and copy our class. I won't care too much about the design. Our goal is to grasp the logic of something rather than a design. I won't care much for him. Let me come from here and copy the button in this form. And let's come over here and paste it so there are two of them. He wants from me.ok, not primary. Let's say that success. Let's call it danger. Now let's come and see if there will be following button. Yes, it happens one after of other. But let's get it. It won't be correct. This will be Facebook. What will it be? Here's how to log in with Google. Okay, let's do something like this, guys. Let's think we give it this way. Let's say social uplinks and text center MB3. Let's see if there will be a recovery. This is how I came. Okay, at least we were able to post them here. It will be nicer to have it on the site now. Because I am an it, I'll give them to go directly over the template and get it. Guys, let's not waste time like this. I didn't it like this, then you don't need it. It can stay that way. Let's do this, guys. Let's take this offset out. Let's work by learning a little to the left. I think it would be better. I think it isn't this form. Okay, let's look at something over button. Here we go. I copied this again just to be sure. These are as follows. Anyway, let's see results. Here, let's see result. I just renew it. Okay, we can expand this query too. My friends need something like this too big. Where creates here before class bikini primary. It isn't necessary to put an expression like this. Let's make it success here, not primary. I came again, yes, like this. It seems like it was nicer. Let me finish the lesson here. So we continue our next lesson on Facebook Developer. See you. Guys, goodbye.